are also changing. And so even our strategies must change. We because we are now going the intelligence, and this us who are good, peace-loving citizens, even the terrorists, even the criminals will take advantage of the same technology. Because from the strategy we have now and that we are refreshing, we have what we call the county action plan. Every county has an action plan of what is violent extremism, depending on how this threat manifests in their counties. So in counties that have been heavily affected by the threat of violent extremism, say maybe because of proximity with the combat theaters, we do countering of violent extremism.
I can also not forget about the political angle. Many other times, politicians also become as a tool to enhance extreme violence and also making our use not toe the line in terms of good morals. So we have been having a good discussion. We have deliberated on what the politicians they have a role to play. We also have noted the enforcement officers, be it the national angle, be it the enforcement officers from the county. All of us in this discussion about National Counter-Terrorism Act 20 review, all of us have a role to play.
We were not able to exhaustively discuss